Hello friend and sir and ma'am. My name is Vinay Prawar Kode. I am a SAS Institute of Management Study of second year student of MBA. Today I will presenting a reward management system. First is reward management. What is the introduction of the reward management? Reward and management, which is comes to under the human resource management, is a concern with implementation and formulation of policy and strategy that inspire the reward employee equitability and fair and regularly accordance to with their performance and value up to the company. The reward management also be motivate manpower. The reward management is good motivation of practice that companies use in under the reward their employees for their success and achievement. The company sets their goals on authority to rule their employees so that they can follow the achieve these set and goals. They make sure the employees are completely aware the rules and goals and they receive the reward for their performance. All the employees follow the generic reward system as their just a system. What is the objective for reward management? The objective of the support the company strategy, recruit the retain, and strength of psychology contract, the motivate the employee to greater extent, comply with legislation, internal and external equity, the financial suitability, efficiently administrate, the retain the employee, attract the new employee, order cost hiring the training of new employee, the encourage positive attitude, encouraging the honesty and loyalty, provoke employee to seek advancement and help the strength company reputation. This is the objective of the employee reward management. This is the objective of the reward management. There are management and reward in company. They help the motivate the return employ the company itself. Also, this is objective of the reward management and compensation. Compensation also be the as important aspect the HRM. They will design the rewards system. They always toward the company productivity and employee satisfaction. This also be compensation. So we come to the reward management. That also reward management is unique process. They implement, create, and controlling fruitfully reward system. The company which help the improve the maintain company performance. This is the objective for reward management and compensation also. Types of management reward management. Types of reward management. How many types of reward are? But extrinsic reward, intrinsic reward, individual reward, team reward, organization reward. First, please understand the extrinsic reward. This is a type of reward to satisfy basic need, security, and survival pay, treatment, and condition. This is type of interesting reward for giving to the employee. And the second is intrinsic reward. This reward are focusing to satisfy higher level need like a development and esteem of the employee. And third is individual reward. The include the base pay, the incentive reward, the attendance, performance, competency, and benefit also we give the individual reward. And second is team reward. They include the team benefit and reward, the group cooperation. This is a team reward. They usually give it to group like a team. And fifth is the organization reward. They include the profit share and gain sharing and revenue sharing. This is a type organization reward. Role of the compensation reward in organization. What is the role of the compensation and reward in an organization? Compensation reward is system play vital role in business organization. Since among the four MS man, material, machine, and money has been most the important factor the impossible image business process the without man. Land, labor, capital, and organization is four major is factory of the production. Every factor contribute the process of products and business. All the expert returns that business process, such as the rent and return expected by the landlord. Similarly, capitalize the expert interest and organize. The entrepreneur expert the profit, the labor expert average wages from the process. This is a role for the reward in this compensation benefit in organization. Thank you. Any doubt, any regarding this topic, I will explain. Anything doubt, comment down below my YouTube channel. Thank you for this time.